So we found through experience probably the best way of getting our message out there to our customers and beyond is to engage our community and help them design the message. So we did a promotional video a little while ago asking budding artists to come to us and show us their portfolios so we could get another piece of art out on the network.
So the artwork here on the train is all about that safety message, look both ways. Throughout the piece you'll notice that there's a flock of flying wax eyes, and there's a bunch of geometric forms in there as well to really pay homage to the urban versus nature kind of theme, and you'll notice the different stances that they're in. They are actually looking both ways. So again, it's all meant to bring a greater awareness to that safety around the barrier crossing.
My husband tagged me on the Facebook post, so when I saw the brief, I had to go for it. I wanted the audience to have fun visually, whether they are on the train or walking out from it and seeing it from the outside. I added the characters in position with the train chairs, so the train passenger completes the character and completes the art. I've never worked on a big canvas like this one before, so seeing it in real size, in real scale, it's amazing.
Yeah, so when I first walked in, I was really blown away with just the vibrancy of the colours and seeing the artwork that I'd created that was originally so small on such a big scale. So it's inspired by the two harbours of Auckland, and Auckland being situated in the middle. So we've got the Manukau Harbour through to the Waitemata Harbour, and it basically focuses on different aspects of native flora and fauna that you would come across along the way.
It's really exciting for AT to be involved in these sort of projects that engages with our whole community and supports local artists. So for me personally, it's one of the projects I'm most proud to be involved with, and I'm really happy to see the train go out there.